I request Arup to start his deliberation.
Good evening, respected chairpersons, my senior and colleague. So, coming from a private sector, standing here in front of all of you, spending three days on my practice, and when you establish a center, very new, dedicated uronephro center, and lead it is very challenging. That 3 days, because you know the patients are very restless nowadays. If they come,
creating such a good team. And as I said, it's a teamwork.
yes sir.
Robotic is a technology, but it's a teamwork. And you have done that because you learned from one of the top hospitals of the country, the civil hospital. So I want to just tell that although the private insurance companies are not paying for right now the robotic surgery, some of them have started recently. And the central government health services, they have been covering this since many years.
So, you need a larger working space, upgrade power supply and IT support, integration with hospital system. As our hospital is a dedicated uronephro center and it was established only 2 years back, so I came to guwahati and when I said that how we help with the neurologist and by this time we can the robot arrived. 3 of us to do all those advanced and critical laparoscopic surgery.